Today I'm gonna be doing a base tour. Wait, let me turn this music off, man. So today I'm gonna be doing a base tour of my Kick a Lucky Block base. I know this game is dead, but yeah, there's still like 80,000 people playing it. So yeah, let's do this, man. Let's get into the video. And by the way, this is my first video of doing a base tour. So please don't call me a noob. So yeah, I have this heavenly thing. Come and pick it up. Man, I don't wanna join a event, man. What the hell? First I have this. I don't know how to say it, but it's so cool. It makes 288.4 trillion a second. Very nice. Yeah, it's very cool. And I have this done. Whatever you call it, man. One I Sorry guys for the thing here, like this black stuff. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this thing, but this one make like 148.3 trillion a second. You know we going on here, man. Yeah, they have a strawberry elephant. My bed. I like this banana. It's so cool. Yeah, and I love it. Yeah, a strawberry. Sorry about that, guys. Mommy was just talking to say I must drink that stuff, but I don't even want to drink it. So yeah, I have the strawberry elephant. It's OG. I know OG is dead, but yeah, this thing make like 18.1 trillion a second W's in the chat, man. I have the spot hotspot. The spot hotspot would make 284. No, 126.6 trillion a second. Don't know why. Think I must rebirth, but I'm not rebirthing, bro. What the hell am I anything I'm doing here? And I have this steak brainot. The steak brainot. Yeah, we all know who steak is. We have this steak brainot right here. Not this is steak, sorry steak, but yeah, I have to say it, bro. This beluga beluga. 298.5 trillion a second. So W's, man, what do you think I'm doing? Yeah. And let's just first over. We have this 28 Brennet. This Brennet is Phantom. Make 280.4 trillion a second. 280.4 trillion a second is basically a do-bot. Okay. We have the Secretary, this bacon one. They make 252 to 2.5 trillion a second. This bacon per hotspot, they make 233.6 trillion a second. We have this Phantom per hotspot. Yes, Phantom is the best. I don't think so, but 272.6 trillion W's in the chat, man. Play with me. And then we have this. This is basically one of my favorite brands. This one, they make 255 trillion a second. I don't know. Yeah, 255 trillion a second. And this one, yo, stop hiding your money for second, bro. 280.4 trillion a second W's. Then we have this. What? This brain thing. And did I think 280.4 trillion a second. Then we have this thing here. What do you call this thing? It's a heavenly brain. What yeah, this thing make 288.4 trillion a second W's in the chat. Then this one 97.9 trillion a second W's. And then we have this one 48.9 trillion. Yep. 42.2 trillion W, 32 trillion W, 98.6 trillion W, and did this one make what the hell? 272.6 trillion second W's. Yep. You have another strawberry phone, yay! 218.1 trillion, 233.6 trillion, 58. Yo, hold on, hold the phone, man. 58.1 trillion, yeah, W. 254.4 trillion W's in the chat, and did 280.4 trillion, 163.2 trillion, 16.3 trillion, 176.2 trillion. Sorry for that, bro. Empty spot, but it's okay. Okay, this is not go, bro. 65.2 trillion. So yeah, bro. So yes, this is my base of 2026. Maybe we're gonna get an update like by. I can't make a thumbnail. Yeah, just gonna make a thumbnail. It should be good. Let's make a thumbnail. Sorry guys, I just need to make a thumbnail. Let's put it here. Yep. Oh. Okay, WSUS. Made a thumbnail now. Thank you guys for tuning in the video. Tell me what should I do next. And peace!